The helping hands. There were two special hands that loved to help. They picked up litter. They helped carry groceries. They even held open doors for others. But nobody ever said thank you. The helping hands felt sad. Why should we help when no one cares, they thought. So, the helping hands stopped helping. Soon, trash was everywhere. People bumped into closed doors. Everyone felt a bit grumpy. The helping hands saw how sad everyone was. Maybe helping is more important than getting thanks, they decided. They started helping again, and this time, smiles returned. The helping hands felt happy knowing they made a difference, even if no one said, "Thank you." One day, a little girl dropped her ice cream cone. Before a single tear could fall, one of the hands scooped it up and handed it back to her. The little girl's eyes widened. "Thank you," she whispered, giving the hand a gentle pat. The hand felt a warmth it had never felt before. It wasn't just happy, it was proud. It wiggled its fingers in a joyful dance. The other hand saw this and started helping even more, hoping for a thank you of its own. It held a door open for a man with his arms full of packages. The man smiled and said, "Thank you very much." The second hand felt just as warm and proud as the first. From that day on, the helping hands knew that while helping was important, a little thanks made it all the more special.
Two hands were helping out all over town, but no one said thank you, which made the hands frown. Oh, helping makes the world so bright. It's a happy thing to do, and when someone is kind to you, always say thank you. They helped a girl who smiled, and then they heard her say a warm and sweet thank you that really made their day. Oh, helping makes the world so bright. It's a happy thing to do, and when someone is kind to you, always say thank you. Oh, helping makes the world so bright. It's a happy thing to do, and when someone is kind to you, always say thank you. And when someone is kind